Since the coronavirus pandemic stuck, fear stuck people, restricting them from going out. And rightfully so, who will want to risk their life for shopping? People are starting to accept the digital world and its service. Service like e-gift card see better sales as people prefer to do everything online. While some of the habits formed in the pandemic may not survive afterwards, others are here to stay. People feel more convenient from the comfort of their homes. The future is likely to be digital, from online groceries and medical sessions to virtual work and gym classes. Today, I will talk about how the COVID-19 impacts our lives, especially how it will change consumer buying habits. Before we jump into the content, like the like to show your love, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for further notification. Online shopping. It's not surprising there have been increasing in online purchase almost every product category. People are buying online more than ever. Lockdown has allowed shoppers to look into online shopping. It's safer and also offers a greater convenience. The masses can order from the comfort of their beds. Why go to the stores? As a delivery service keeping improving, so does the consumer experience. It gives the customers a reason to continue using the online service. According to the statistic, more individuals are likely to be shopping online ever after the pandemic. It is shown in the e-commerce, especially in dropshipping. We have seen a surge in order value. Many dropshippers stores have leveled up in the past year. As online shopping is the thing now, it's a no-brainer that some e-commerce groups still claiming dropshipping is dead. On the contrary, it is a golden time of the dropshipping, with the increasing competition, especially when local stores have joined the game. Your site should be more attractive and provide more detailed service. For example, if you're selling clothes, a size guide and product descriptions, or maybe other tech that can help customers choose the right size are necessary. Show you care for the audience by providing free masks or small gifts. Customers will encourage these gestures. In case you own a dropshipping business, better to have a variety of suppliers. You'll likely have loads of orders. One supplier may collapse. The shipping time, product quality, out of stock, cases happens. Even you, a CG user, will still suggest have a backup supplier. Focus on product quality and make sure satisfactory products are delivered. With online shopping, customers are always going to have concerns. Always reach back to the audience to solve their issues. Also, advertising your service on different platforms to get a varied traffic. Sanitary shopping. The pandemic has promoted people to pay more attention to personal hygiene. The obsession with sanitizing hands has led to increased sale of sanitary products. There is a record purchase of sanitizer, mask, UV disinfection tools, etc. With a stable local stock and people's frantic purchase, these products demand have dropped back to normal. These sales don't seem to rest anytime soon. However, the demand has dramatically decreased. Order online collect from store. This click-collect service is popular amongst the consumer. It allows them to place their orders online and then go pick them up from the store. It also saves them the shipping costs and help with the social distancing. Considering the ease provided with the service, it doesn't seem like it's here for a short while. If you want more local audience, you need to the click and collect facility. Have a clear instruction for pickup locations on your website. Make sure the customer receives calls, texts, or emails once their orders are ready for pickup. Local delivery. Local delivery is a means of ordering online from within a city. Customers are adopting this service as physically going to shop is risky. Moreover, in-city deliveries are much faster and the shipping costs are much low. To get local attention, a local delivery. Market your service based on the local environment. Show personalized message to the neighboring area and engage with them. Put up relatable signs. As local delivery improves, people will continue to embrace it due to the convenience it provides. Hoarder vs. sensible shopper. The fear of social interruption leads to people accumulate goods. They did not want to go outside or often they might contact with the virus. This behavior may continue to some extent as people feel insecure. You can restrict consumers by buying a specific amount at a time. Make sure your stock doesn't go empty. Other buyers adopt a supplier approach. As many people face the financial problems, they decide to spend less. People bought healthier and wasted less. They prefer the products that provide something in return, whether financial or educational. People want to get the most out of their cash. To satisfy their buyer, you can provide discounts and special offers. This will show that you care for their financial solution. Digital payments. People are inclined towards online payment method rather than COD, cash on delivery. Cash exchange is risky as it could be transferring the virus. People prefer service like self-checkout. Payment through scanning QR codes are popular amongst people. Credit card payment is also acceptable. To meet the needs of the consumer, you should provide a variety of payment methods. Digital payment should be prioritized. The convenience of their service is unmatched, which is why it's here to stay even post the pandemic. Exploring new brands. In quarantine, not all people have lost their mind. Some have formed hobbies. To stay busy at home, people have discovered their talents, while some have gotten into cooking. Others have decided to be physical and start cycling. People are engaged in DIY projects with their kids. As people discover their skills, they're likely to discover newer brands. Focus on these new enthusiastic. A large number of hobby-related products self-growth has made us realize the potential of enthusiastic buying power. Run personalized campaign towards them by engaging with them. Tell them how your brand supports newcomers by offering discounts. As your audience experience enjoyment in their hobbies, they're likely to continue. They will spend more on their hobbies and you could be on the receiving end. Shop for others. The pandemic has allowed people to think about others, to sympathize with those who are struggling. Hence, their shopping choices have also changed accordingly. People are now making their purchase to share and enjoy with others. They are inclined towards brands that promote social well-being. Customers have developed a soft spot for the community as a whole. They no longer think only about themselves, especially after the pandemic. People will have a sense of friendship amongst them. They will continue to shop for others rather than themselves. This is why its habit is here to stay. You can win customers' hearts by preventing sheer deal in these hard times. Customers will become aware of your care for the public. You can also sharpen your brand messaging around helping the community. This will allow you to connect with the audience on the emotional level. There is no doubt that increased online shopping is the most significant change in the consumer buying habits. Most of the purchasing is done online. If the consumer can't go to a store, store have to come to the consumer. Such consumer habits are likely to stay post-COVID as it have given consumers convenience in their basic tasks. This pandemic is a wake-up call for all business without an online strategy. We live in a digital world where no business can prosper without digital marketing. If you did not focus on your digital strategy until now it's a time to do so. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe to us. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends or coworkers. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day. Bye!